I love a good crispy sweet and sour pickled chili pepper. The ones that you buy are often flabby and disappointing. Here's Mom's recipe. Works like a charm every time and it's stupidly easy. You'll make it at home and you'll never buy the supermarket ones again. They'll have you at first bite. You'll need fresh chili peppers. Of course, it's great to have them from your own garden, but that's another story. You're good to go with the ones from the store, as long as you touch them and the skin and flesh feel firm and crispy. Try to pickle them in the same day to preserve all that heavenly crunchiness. 1 bay leaf, black pepper 1 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, a few slices of horseradish, peeled and chopped. This is the secret ingredient which will prevent your chilies from becoming soft and unappealing. Some celery leaves. For 1 liter of brine, you will stir all this together until everything's dissolved. Sugar, 125 grams. Salt, 40 grams. Water, half a liter. And vinegar, half a liter. Feel free to multiply the quantities if you need more than 1 liter of brine. In a sterilized jar, throw in the bay leaf, the black pepper, and the mustard seeds. Lay down the jar to make your life easier while trying to stuff everything inside. Add the celery leaf. Continue with the chili peppers and the rest of the ingredients until your jar is full. The final step is to pour the brine. Give it a hug and shake it a bit to let the air bubbles out. Keep the pickles in a dark, cold place. If you have a cellar, throw them down there, it's even better. And now, do your best in not opening the jar for 1 month.